Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a drop shadow in After Effects. It's really simple and easy. Open the After Effects, add a background image into your composition. Now go to a folder and I have this, I put it into After Effects project and then into your composition here. Now if you want to add a drop shadow, we can go to Window and Effects and Presets, or we can use Ctrl 5 to show the effect and presets panel. Search for this shadow and then we can find the drop shadow under perspective. Double click to apply the layer. Then go to effects control and we can adjust the distance first, and we can adjust the softness, and we can change the direction, and we can change the opacity as well. As you can see, we can change the shadow colors here, whatever color you want. So that's how you can add your drop shadow into your text or images as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add drop shadow in After Effects. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.